being a CEO of a tech startup is a, a self battle. Nobody ever talks about this when you do an accelerator or an incubator, but I'd say the hardest thing I've dealt with is growing into a leader that can change the world. Like, that's the type of vision you have to have, and it's scary out there. So dealing with, those personal battles of, I don't know if I want to put myself out there, or, we've worked so hard, what if people laugh at us or something? Because people are scared of something new. And we've seen it the entire way, from investors to big space companies to, a lot of different areas of like, hey, you're doing something new that really has never been done before. What is the risk? What is the reliability? How secure is it? So when you're pushing those boundaries, sometimes you find yourselves like by yourself, and you have to listen to those market factors of all the customers who have signed up and want it, and not what those other folks are saying. So for any founders that are going through it, I think this is the hardest part for all of us.